7 questions you must ask before hiring an office cleaning company. Choosing a cleaning service for your office may seem like a small decision, but it really can impact your business reputation and ability to conduct your business. Before choosing your next commercial cleaning company, here are 7 things you must ask the companies you're considering. 1. What services do you offer? Different commercial cleaning companies offer different levels and types of services. You need to find a company that offers the level of service you envision for your business cleaning. Some services to consider include janitorial services, window cleaning, hard floor cleaning and maintenance, carpet cleaning and upholstery cleaning, power washing, special event cleaning. 2. Do they carry comprehensive insurance? 3. How do they hire their cleaning staff? Ask about police checks, working with children and other qualifications. 4. Can they provide references? A reputable company will be happy to provide the names and phone numbers of past and current clients for you to talk with. 5. What commercial cleaning experience do they have? 6. Do they or you provide the cleaning supplies? 7. Do they offer green cleaning services? Neat Cleaning has been servicing North Brisbane and the surrounding for over 15 years. Neat Cleaning Services prides itself on our reliable and trustworthy team with extensive experience in all areas of professional and commercial office cleaning services. Neat Cleaning servicing Virginia, Geebung and Northgate, Queensland. Call Danny on 07 3888 0655.